Oh, fish.
Or a turtle.
Or a turtle. Oh, I can't see shit. Right into the sun. Oops. Oh well, I can see the silhouette. Is Crabbit inverted in a harrier? Or at least a high angle of attack? Turn downwind? I didn't really set my timer, so... Guess I'll bring her back over. Oh, I probably have time, judging by the timer. I did turn it on at one point.
The video says 5 minutes, so you haven't even been flying 5 minutes.
Okay.
That was some nice colors.
Oh yeah, it's kind of calmed down and made for nice colors. Turn it downwind inverted like that is kind of creepy. You lose all your lift suddenly. This has all been on low rates so far too. I haven't even switched to high rates yet.
What's the difference?
High rates, you get a lot more throw, so you can make the plane do a lot more tricks and hold hovers better and stuff. The trick is not to start to lose the hover, and then you can do whatever you want at low rates. As soon as you start to fall out of it, though, you need high rates to stay in.
Does high rates mean that the engine moves differently or
Not
something?
the engines, just the control surfaces, like the ailerons, the rudder, and the elevator. But the ailerons don't matter as much.
So they move faster.
Well, they don't move faster, they move further, like more angles of degrees of deflection.
Oh, okay. The sun's making it hard to see.
I concur. All right, I'll pull it in. Dead stick.